Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I have some news on Tesla on the Model Y, and I'm going to be giving my Q3 earnings predictions. So let's get right into it. So first of all, this is big news here actually from Teslarati that the Tesla Model Y demand is so high that even salvage title units are selling at full price. Basically what this means is that Tesla Model Ys that were considered a total loss by the insurance company. So generally these are cars that were heavily damaged in a crash of some sort, are selling for full price or even higher. For example, this Tesla Model Y here sold for $52,000. It's a salvage title one, and the regular Model Y goes for $50,000, which is pretty crazy because this means that most likely Model Y demand is really high, and people are having some problems getting their hands on Model Ys, which is obviously good news because that means that Tesla is not going to have demand problems anytime soon. And I bet you long-term Tesla shareholders already knew this, that Tesla does not have demand problems, but this just proves it. On to my prediction for earnings. So I'm assuming that they're going to have the same ZEV credit sales as before of $400 million. Nothing new here. Same as last quarter. And unlike last quarter, I expect the vehicle business to finally turn a profit. I think that they could turn a profit of 500 million, the vehicle business, and I'll explain that in a moment. But one explanation for this is that the Tesla Model 3 China profit margins are supposedly as high as 35%, as stated in this article here, which I will link in the description down below if you want to check it out, and fact check me, I guess. Then next, we have the energy business and solar business, which I expect, $200 million profit. Nothing much, because last quarter they did turn a profit, so this quarter I'm just expecting the same. So I'm quite conservative there. So in total, I expect around 1.1 billion in total profits, which is significantly higher than the 400 million or so that analysts are expecting. At least that is, if I did my math correctly, that's what they're expecting. Again, double check me on this, but that is what I believe the analyst said. I did earnings per share, and I converted that into money, so it might be wrong, but that is what analysts predict, supposedly, for earnings. So now, let me explain to you why I believe the vehicle business will actually be profitable this quarter. So I'm going to use an example of some random company that doesn't exist for this. So this company has 90,000 in revenue in the second quarter, right? That's representative of the 90,000 Teslas that were delivered in Q2, and they have expenses of 80,000 for their employees and 20,000 for research and development, right? Quite similar to Tesla, most likely. So they lose $10,000 in the quarter, right? Because how many cars they're selling is not making up for their expenses in research and development and employees. But now this company Q3 has a revenue of $140,000. Which is the same that Tesla had in terms of how many cars they sold. And they have employee expenses of 100,000, so their employee expenses are higher. The reason I'm saying that this company, which is supposed to represent Tesla, has higher employee expenditures than before is because Tesla is hiring more in China, and they are hiring more to build the Berlin factory and generally hiring more Tesla employees everywhere. So I'm expecting them to have, a pretty good, like 30% employee expense increase. And then also this company has R&D expenses of 30,000. So I'm expecting 50%, I guess, growth for this random company in terms of R&D expenses. Right, which is supposed to mirror Tesla. And if you add this up, this company actually made $10,000 in the quarter. So basically, because they were able to sell so many more cars, even though their expenses are rising, they turn from being unprofitable to being profitable because of how crazy their growth was, like their revenue numbers. Hey guys, it's me from the future. So I just wanted to add something in that I realized it didn't include the how much it costs to make each car into this, but that's actually supposed to be included in the employees section, so just keep that in mind. Alright, I'll let you guys finish the video now. Because this company basically had such strong revenue growth, but not that much of an increase in costs, they're profitable now, which is the same thing that I expect with Tesla's vehicle business, which is why I'm expecting a really high profit this quarter. So, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you guys left a like and subscribed. That'd really be awesome. Comment down below what you want to see next. See you later. Peace.